Hi there, in this video I'm going to use Picmonkey to create a background with text on it by using an image that you may already have on your computer. On Picmonkey you don't need to register, so it says here no registration needed. You can edit for free. And so here are the four options that we'll have: editing, touch-up, design or collage. And as I moved across those, you can see this information here changed. So I'm going to click on edit for free. And now we're on the desktop. So I just need to open an image, which is upload an image from my computer, and then add some text to overlay on top. Now I'd like to crop this down to the perfect size, so I'm clicking on the crop button on the left. What I need to do is click the scale photo. So the actual size I want is 1280, which is the full, almost the full width, and then I want 720. So we can see how much of the photo it's going to take up. Now that it's got these little handles on the corners, I can move this into position. So I prefer to see more sky. I'm scrolling that up to see more sky. So that is now my new size, 1280 by 720. So I'm coming over here to the left and clicking on the green apply button. Okay, so that's my new size. That will be going into the back of my video. To add text, I click on the text icon in the left sidebar, the uppercase T and the lowercase t. So I want to add text and I can choose a font. So I quite like Trebuchet, so let's go with that, and I'm going to click on the add text button. So it's placed it in the center of the photo. I might want to move this up here, and this might be where I type. So that might be the business name that you're going to type. I click to get out of there, and then I can just drag it a little bit and make it fit. So once you have that text overlaid on the photo, you might want to change that. So I can double click or select all, and then with the colors I can drag the color icon around the screen, choose what I like. I quite like black. Now this is where I can make it bold, italic, left, right, centered, etc. I can change the size of the font to be quite big. You can play around with the font as much as you like here on the right hand side. At this point I'm going to change it to Arial Black because I like Arial Black. But I'm going to change the font size by clicking here on the right. Okay, so I can now save that. I could also create more text boxes if I wanted to. And over here I might type, call us today on 555 5555 5555. Now I might want to make that centered. I might want to move this up here. And whenever you're happy, when you've added a few text boxes, you've done what you'd like, then you can save. Once I've done that, I can open up Explaindio and import it. I create a project. EVC background example 001. Once I've got that, I can add a slide. I'm going to add an animated slide. I'm going to go to Business Show 2, number 2, number 1, number 3. I'm going to add a single image. Single slide. I'm going to click on the image to upload. I'm going to click on Browse. So you can see the image has been inserted. It has text on the image, but now we have this additional information here. So there are several things we can do. If I go to Outline, I can get rid of those extra pieces. So if I click the first one, let's see, and the second one will remove that white shade that was in the top right. This one should remove the green. If you want to keep the green but make it a different colour, you could make it a blue of some description. That's not too bad. The size, if I want to reduce the scale, I can do it that way. I can go back up to, let's see, let's make this one 66. We'll make them both 0.66. Okay, so that's made a smaller circle. And then the text, I can also move that circle up and down on the screen too if I want to. For the text, I might want to change that font from white to black, so I click on text color, I make it black or something else. I might want to make it even a blue. I might make it that blue. So then text area 2 has the rest of the text, and then free book on top 10 tips to get you started. So that font is too pale, so I'm going from white to blue. I'm also going to change the font size to 50 is too big, so let's make it 30. Let's change receive free book. I'll stop that from flashing. On top 10 tips to get, I'll put you started on a new line. Okay, so that's how you can space that out. So the word bonus could be bigger, so I'm going back up to the word bonus and I'm going to go from font size 45 to 50, maybe even up to a 55, maybe even a 60. Okay, so you can see that some of the words here, the you started is not quite clear on the mountains, so I might make that a, I could make the font for text area 2 could be black or could be a darker blue, something like that. So then you can see how you can use the background image, add text to it, use parts of the image features, and then you're all set to go. Now at this point I can save this and I can export it as is, or I can preview it, I can do whatever I like. So you can see that shows your business name, call to action, and then the other information disappears. So if I replay that, the text in the circle appears and then disappears. So that's it for that little project. So save that and export it. Hope you've enjoyed this. Cheerio for now from Tina Hughes. Bye-bye.